Today our topic is how is life possible on earth. The objective of our lesson is that at the end of the lesson a student will be able to explain the situation of the earth and how life is possible on the earth. The earth was created over 4.5 billion years ago, and life appeared on its surface within a billion years, and even today earth is only planet which supports life. The temperature on the earth is just about right for life, and this is because earth is the third planet from the sun, not too far, not too close. The temperature is too cold in the other planets which are far from the sun, and too hot in planets which are close to the sun. The earth's atmosphere always contains a layer of gases which always protect the earth from the harmful rays of the sun, and solar harmful radiation go back in the space. The atmosphere of the earth contains 21% oxygen, which life forms need to survive, and 21% of the earth's surface is covered from water. The earth is called blue planet. Being the fifth largest planet in the solar system, earth has mass which gave a gravitational pull strong enough to keep us stuck to the planet. This gravitational force shields the planet's atmosphere from dangerous cosmic rays and solar winds. All life exists on the earth's surface. Everything in this planet supports life. The summary of our topic is life on the earth is possible due to suitable temperature and availability of water. These features distinguish planet Earth from all other planets. Dear student, list the factors that make life possible on Earth as discussed in this audio lesson, and take the help of textbook page number 14 and 15. As a critical thinking, think whether there is a life on another planet. If it is so, on which planet would you like to live and why? To support your answer, take the help of the picture in your textbook figure 1.3 page number 14.